K-pop is not just music for Vietnamese young people. It became a big part of their lives. From the late 1990 seconds, when the internet was still new, K-pop slowly entered Vietnam. It came through TV channels and music discs. Generation 8X and 9X found it by chance on TV. Now Gen Z enjoys big concerts and music apps. This story shows the strong power of K-pop culture around the world. Generation 8X and 9X experienced K-pop differently. The internet was slow and expensive then. Not many people had smartphones. They listened to music on cassette tapes and VCDs. Music channels like MTV Asia showed them K-pop. Arirang TV also played Korean music videos. Fans recorded songs on their small devices. K-pop felt like a special and valuable discovery. Legendary groups started the K-pop wave. H.O.T. and Shinhwa surprised young fans. S.E.S. and Boa had beautiful voices. Then came TVXQ and Super Junior. Big Bang and SNSD became very famous. Their fashion and dance moves inspired many people. Vietnamese young people copied their hairstyles and clothes. K-pop created a colorful dream world for them. Fans showed their love in simple ways. They wrote song lyrics in their notebooks. They copied CDs for their friends. K-pop ringtones were popular on Nokia phones. They saved their favorite songs on memory cards. Without social media, their passion was private. K-pop felt like a beautiful and special dream. Television was their only window to this amazing world. The years 2000 to 2010 were K-pop's golden time in Vietnam. Internet became faster and easier to use. YouTube changed how people enjoyed music. Local platforms like Zing, MP3, and Facebook became fan centers. Websites like Kites and Ken14 made K-pop more popular. Fan groups grew very quickly. Vietnamese fans finally had places to connect. The K-pop community became more active and lively. Famous groups were everywhere during this exciting time. Big Bang changed K-pop with their unique style. 2NE1 showed a strong girl power concept. Wonder Girls became popular with the Nobody Dance. SNSD became the nation's favorite girl group. SHINee impressed everyone with their sharp dances. EXO quickly got a huge number of fans. BTS started their amazing journey. Each group left special memories for Vietnamese fans. Vietnamese fans became more active and creative. They translated lyrics and added subtitles to videos. Fancam videos became popular in online communities. Fan clubs worked in a more professional way. Cover dance groups performed in many places. Cosplay events showed outfits like their idols. Bedrooms were full of posters and banners. K-pop became a cultural bridge between Vietnam and Korea. New trends showed this generation's love for K-pop. Dance covers appeared in school festivals. Fans learned difficult dance moves. Making banners became a popular hobby. Photo collections showed their strong dedication. K-pop changed fashion and beauty standards in Vietnam. It influenced young people's lifestyle choices. The connection became much deeper than just enjoying music. Today's generation enjoys K-pop in the digital world. Fast internet helps them connect immediately. TikTok and YouTube give them new content right away. Spotify lets them listen to unlimited music. Global fan pages connect fans from different countries. Idols feel closer through live streams. Virtual concerts break distance problems. K-pop is now a natural part of their digital life. Modern fan culture has changed a lot. Fans wave light sticks proudly at concerts. Collecting albums shows their strong commitment. Online voting helps their idols win awards. Donations show their financial support. International concerts attract many Vietnamese fans. Fan meetings create unforgettable experiences. TikTok trends spread K-pop challenges around the world. Stan culture is a big part of today's K-pop experience. Special fan language creates a unique identity. Fan wars sometimes cause online fights. Reaction videos create fun content. Fancam videos focus on individual members. Trading photo cards is a popular hobby. K-pop influences fashion and beauty standards. Fans don't just listen to K-pop, they live it. Today's young people live completely in the K-pop world. Music mixes with fashion and lifestyle. Their thinking shows K-pop values. Beauty standards show Korean influence. Social media connects global communities. For some, K-pop becomes a life philosophy. It's more than entertainment. It's their identity. The digital generation lives and breathes K-pop culture. When we compare different generations, we see interesting things. Generation 8X and 9X loved their idols quietly. Their love was simple and personal. But Gen Z shows their love with technology. Their way is more public and global. However, both generations have the same strong passion for K-pop. They just show it differently. The main love for K-pop never changes. Earlier generations had deeper connections with K-pop. Limited access made their love more special. Every song felt like a new discovery. Today's generation gets new content very fast. Easy access brings constant new music. Both ways have their good points. Slow love versus fast enjoyment. Every generation values their K-pop memories. Even with differences, some things are the same for all. Everyone finds youth in K-pop music. It represents strong emotions and community. It keeps precious life memories. K-pop connects people of all ages. It creates shared understanding. The music connects generation gaps beautifully. Everyone finds comfort in Korean melodies. K-pop is like a safe place for emotions. It helps people escape daily stress. It offers friendship through fan communities. It gives purpose during hard times. The music becomes a life companion. Song lyrics inspire personal growth. Performances bring joy and hope. K-pop is much more than just entertainment. K-pop changed from foreign music to familiar culture in Vietnam. It became a natural part of daily life. From Nokia phones to light sticks, technology improved, but the emotional connection remains the same. Idols still make hearts beat fast. Music still connects young people. The main feeling of fan love continues. Only the ways of showing it have changed over time. Each generation found their special connection to K-pop. 8X and 9X loved the limited content they had. They valued each song like treasure. Gen Z enjoys many choices today. They can explore different music styles. Both appreciate K-pop's high quality. The production always impresses fans. Artistic creativity crosses all borders. K-pop's journey shows Vietnam's development, from limited access to global connection, from secret passion to open celebration. Music grew with the country's progress. Youth culture changed along with it. K-pop saw all the technology advances. It successfully adapted to new times. Its popularity continues to grow stronger. K-pop's magic is in its timeless attraction. It captures young dreams and hopes. It provides the soundtrack for growing up, from cassette tapes to streaming apps, from TV screens to concert stages. The music continues to inspire generations. K-pop remains a beautiful cultural gift. It will keep making hearts dance forever.